place. Aye. Crazy. We'll be exploring that soon. It's a shame how decayed this place actually is. Like, honestly. So this is where we had that store slam. So we came down the stairs like this. Doors round that corner. So we'll just go. That door there slams after we get whistled in that room. Yeah.
Try and slam.
Jesus. That slammed. It's crazy. That there was a low so loud. So that startled us. Didn't realise until we got home. And I was trying to investigate the sound editing. That video is up on the channel and I would give it a watch if I were you.